Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am joined by Ari, and what are we going to draw today, Ari?
Knuckles!
Knuckles! Okay, Ari, where do you think we should start with Knuckles?
On the head?
Okay, let's go with the head first. So, if you look at Knuckles, the one that we're drawing, we have a bit of a curve shape coming across like this. So it's a bit of a curve on an angle, and then a bit of a curve coming down. Okay, it's a bit tricky, but it's got some sort of long, almost hair. All right, how'd you go? Make sure you do it a reasonable size. Is that big enough, do you think?
No.
You might want to make it a little bit bigger. Remember, people at home, it's all learning. There are no such thing as mistakes. It's learning and practice. I'm just going to draw an oval shape, and this is like the middle part of his face. Okay, I'm just mapping that on there, and then I'm giving myself a bit of space for the eye, and he's got a bit of a mean look on his face. So we've got an oval. Now put the eye on. See how it's coming out there? Now we're going to put the other eye on. So give yourself a little bit of space there. Come up, and this one you see more of it because he's sort of looking, he's got his head sort of semi-side on. So there's the other eye. Now the nose is directly underneath this eye, and it's a shape like so. Yep, so put your nose directly underneath there, and the mouth is a line like this. A bit of a cranky look on his face. And this here is actually an eyebrow coming down into there, and then the other eyebrow comes up and over like that. And there's a bit of space here. We may even need to make that wider. Now that I've got that eye in there, I'm going to put his first bit of hair coming down, and it comes down about so far, and then comes back and curves up around like so. And the one on the other side does the same. It comes down to about the same distance. So match this one up. This has got to come around into a point. Can't wait to see the latest Sonic movie. What do you reckon, Ari? Yeah. We'll have to go to the movies and watch it when it comes out. So we've got the basic head shape of Knuckles. Now we're going to put the eyes so he's looking straight at us. In the picture that I'm looking at, he's looking sort of out that way, but let's bring it so the eye's more towards us. So we need to put the eyeball there, and an oval shape with another oval shape inside, and then another little dot there, and there, and there, and that makes it look like he's looking at us. We'll fix that up a little bit more later on.
I made mine really mean.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah, yours is sort of mean, almost like Sonic XE. We're not going to draw the blood and all that on there though. Knuckles has got like a collar on his shirt coming down, like a Nike tick or a crescent sort of shape, like so. Now I'm going to bring the first arm out. This arm here comes down out here, so down behind the ear. Pretend the ear's not there, just do a bit of a shape like so. The body, let's get this mapped on. Comes down past the hair, like so. Then we're going to have a leg coming off here on an angle like so, and another leg coming out here. And then put like a rectangle shape for the shoe top. And then the top of his shoes remind me of a Lego brick. And there's the front of the shoe. And then this is the sides of the shoe, like so. Sort of looking almost straight onto the shoe. So a line across like that. Remember, if I'm going too fast for you guys, you can pause it and have a look. And then these are little oval shapes like Lego bricks. Because they're raised up, they're like this. If you zoom, if you look at them. Yep, awesome job, Ari. Good work, mate. So there's one of his shoes. Might just make that out there and to there. Now we've got to put this one on, sort of see a little bit more from the side and the top of this shoe. And then we're going to put the shoe on so it comes out and then it curves up. And then here is the front of the shoe. And then this is like that little Lego brick type thing that sits on top. Cool laces. Six of those and make them 3D. At the moment I'm just going fairly fast. And then don't forget this part of the shoe, Ari. The sole of the shoe comes around the bark. Make it look like it goes around. Make that a bit curvier. All right, so we've got his shoes, got his head. Oh, wow, mate, that's looking so good. Now, the hand, it looks like it's gonna be tricky, but let's have a look. If we do a big oval shape, we give ourselves this part, look at this part. So this is the part that joins on. He almost looks like he's wearing boxing gloves. No wonder they call him Knuckles. Look at those big spikes on his knuckles. Can't wait to see the movie and see how he attacks. I'm sure he uses these knuckles. Look at that. It's like a cone shape. And then this is his finger that comes in, up, around, and in like so. And then this is his thumb that comes up, around there. And then this part here is his thumb that comes around, and then he's got to draw a line like that. So this is his hand and his thumb, his finger folded back into his thumbs that are, and then he's got, put his other knuckle down there, put another spike down there. Now we've got his other arm that he looks like he's bent, so it's coming down. If his arm was going to come down, it would come down and then out like that if his hair wasn't in the way. And this hand's going to be slightly smaller because it's be pretty similar sort of size. This time it's going to be a circle. It's got his thumb on the top there. And then he's got his knuckle coming off there. And a knuckle coming off there. Then he's got some more hair, Ari. His hair comes down behind here like so. There's another piece of hair. And then he's got two more over this side. One in front of his glove there. I'm going to just have to bring his head out a little bit more, and then the other one comes down. And that's gone behind his hand. There we go. And he has a little tail as well. Have you seen his little tail there?
No.
His tail comes down, almost like Pikachu's tail. It comes out like that. So there's basically Knuckles. Now, what do you think about how I've got his eyes? Are you happy with those?
Yeah.
How he's looking more towards us, or do you think it would look better if he was looking out that way? I've just changed the reflections to be on the right hand side. It is time for outlining. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as we did drawing it. As you can see on the screen, I'm going around Knuckles with a purple to match his eye colour. You don't have to do that, but I just thought I'd give it a try to see what it looked like. But I wasn't that happy with it, so I decided to remove it for today's video. Now, if you did like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more future content. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now. Thanks again. See ya.